So class third, third C, GSC, and date will be 17/9/2020. And lesson fifth. Lesson fifth. The human body. The human body. And in the human body, we are studying worksheet fifth. Worksheet fifth. And here the answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. So here question 4. We have to write the question 4. How does our brain work? How does our brain work? So this answer we have to write. The brain receives and send out messages, through nerves to the rest of the body, to the rest of the body. When we touch, when we touch something hot, with our hand, with our hand, it pulls back immediately. So when we touch something hard with our hand, the nerves in our skin, the nerves in our skin tells the brain, tells the brain that we have touched, brain that भी है something hot. The brain understands and the brain understands and immediately sends back the message to pull the hand away. So in this way, the brain receives and sends out. Receives and the brain receives and sends out message through nerves to the rest of the body. When we touch something hot with our hand, the nerves in our skin tells the brain that we have touched something hot. The brain understands and immediately sends back the message to pull the hand away. So in this way, our brain controls the activity. How does our brain work? Brain is a part of our the nervous system. It has the capacity to think, intelligence, learning, take the decision. These are the properties of the brain. Suppose we see any object, this message is sent to our the brain. Then brain experience about the object. In the same way, if our friend pinches or we keep our hands on hot plate, and this message, if we are seeing the hot plate and by knowing we are the putting our hands on the hot plate, then this message sent to our the brain, and this brain take the decision whether we have to remove our hands or not. If the plate is very hot, If plate is very hard and we suddenly put our hands on the hard plate, then immediately we remove our the hands. In this situation, our spinal cord take the decision to suddenly remove our the hands because brain have brain thinks whether we have to remove our hands or not. That is time taking process. So if matter is very serious and very and is suddenly in that situation our spinal cord take the decision instead of the brain. Later this message sent to the brain. So now we have to see next question and next question is what is the role of blood in our body? What is the role of blood in our body? Question 5th, we can see the question number 5th. What is the role of blood in our body? So, blood carries oxygen and food in the form of nutrients. The blood carries oxygen and food in the form of nutrients the form of nutrients to all cells, nutrients to all cells in the body. So main function of blood is transportation. It transports the gases and the nutrients. It transports gases and nutrients to different parts of the body. Other things also transported, but mainly it transport the gases, mainly oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the food materials to different part of our body. That's for today.